the 1998 Yamaha Snowmobile line. An even broader lineup of snowmobiles with technology and features that mean no matter what kind of rider you are or where you like to ride, Yamaha makes a premium sled that's right for you. In '98, the engineering might of Yamaha remains focused on the snow. And the result is the kind of innovation in design and manufacturing that puts quality Yamaha sleds at the head of the pack. Yamaha started a revolution in snowmobile design with the introduction of the Pro Action System. The Yamaha Pro Action System is the answer to riders' demands for lightweight and improved handling characteristics.
Yamaha engineers recognize that there's more to making a snowmobile ride and handle well than just good suspension. That's why the Yamaha Pro Action System includes the core component of the snowmobile, the frame. Assuming that nothing could be taken for granted, the first step in creating the new Pro Action System was a careful re-examination of every single part on the sled. Through a combination of intelligent design, new materials, and innovative manufacturing techniques, many parts were consolidated into single, more efficient components, while others were eliminated altogether. One of the major achievements of this re-engineering effort is the heart of the Pro Action System, the die-cast aluminum subframe. Light, yet extremely strong, it offers great resistance to distortion and flex. As a single component, it provides the mounting points for the front shock absorbers, the radius rod heim joints, the steering bell crank, front bumper, front engine mounts, belly pan, and aluminum side cradles that run lengthwise tying into the rear bulkhead and are unique to Yamaha snowmobiles. The sum of these parts yields a frame assembly that's extremely light and extremely strong. In comparison tests, it exhibits double the torsional rigidity or resistance to twisting and 14% more resistance to downforce loading than competitive designs. The next component in the Pro Action System is the trailing arm front suspension. The Yamaha suspension uses tapered trailing arms that are strong where they need to be, up front at the spindle, while tapering to reduce weight toward the rear mounts. These arms are extra long to create a geometry that minimizes bump steer, while a stabilizer bar adds control for hard cornering and on uneven terrain. Large, wide spindle splines are stronger than competitive designs and help to maintain ski alignment. The final component of the Pro Action System is long travel rear suspension with rising rate geometry and these unique control rods that couple the front and rear shock absorbers. Yamaha's long travel rear suspension system features a variety of adjustments that allow it to be tuned for different riders and riding conditions. A dual rate rear spring allows for a wider range of operation. The Pro Action skid frame features a unique adjustment point that has the same effect as changing the spring and damping rates by altering the geometry of the rear shock mounting position. As you can now see, a light rigid frame, trailing arm front suspension, and a true long travel rear suspension combine to make up the Yamaha Pro Action System. It's a uniquely integrated system that makes for lighter, tighter sleds with a perfect balance of outstanding handling characteristics in a smooth, comfortable ride. The Pro Action System comes in 3 different versions, each tailored for a different kind of riding. Pro Action Plus is our basic long travel suspension system with 11.5 inches rear and 9 inches of front travel. Pro Action Plus X incorporates premium high-quality gas shocks for outstanding handling and ride quality. It also has 11.5 inches of rear and 9 inches of front travel. And finally, Pro Action Plus SX, tuned for all-out performance. It has shorter front and rear premium gas shocks to produce a lower center of gravity and firmer ride, making sleds equipped with Pro Action Plus SX the best handling snowmobiles you can buy. At speed, the Pro Action System takes riders to a new level of riding comfort and handling that inspires confidence. Winding a sled up to speed is only half the riding equation. Equally important to performance is braking. Yamaha has designed a unique 2-caliper brake system that provides the ultimate in brake performance. The progressive feel and excellent feedback provided by the premium Yamaha brake system makes braking an integral part of the handling of the sled. A cool operating, ventilated stainless steel rotor spins between a Nissin hydraulic caliper with opposing pistons to provide super responsive 1 or 2 finger braking. The second caliper is a mechanical cable-operated parking brake that is simple to use and reliable, unlike some hydraulic designs that have a tendency to bleed down. The Yamaha brake system has been praised by the press as being the finest brake system in snowmobiling. The Pro Action system and Yamaha brake system are only the beginning in a new chapter of Yamaha innovation that's going to translate into quality, top-performing snowmobiles that are just plain fun to ride.
We're out of the gate in '98 with 9 completely new models to go with the 10 new machines we unleashed on the snowmobiling world last year. The 1998 Yamaha sleds combine speed, handling, comfort, and convenience in a way that'll have you wishing for winter all year round. What could possibly make someone look forward to year-round winter, you ask? Well, if you're a glutton for total performance, 2 answers come right to mind. The all-new Yamaha SRX 700 and SRX 600. SRX stands for top-of-the-line performance like you've never experienced before. Serious performance that begins with what are sure to be the most awesome power plants in snowmobiling. 2 all-new liquid-cooled 3-cylinder engines with tuned triple-pipe exhausts. These new triple-triples feature the hottest technology available on the snow, technology that could only come from Yamaha. Take the SRX's new electronically controlled exhaust power valve system. The system's onboard computer adjusts power valve opening to match engine RPM, providing optimum exhaust timing and maximum power across the rev range. Unlike competitive designs, Yamaha's power valves are self-cleaning to maintain optimum performance. Sleek SRX bodywork reveals cutting-edge form-follows-function design. Stylish intake ducts are the outward indication of a highly sophisticated air management system. Air to cool the brake system, muffler, crankcase, and clutch passes through these louvers. Combustion is improved by dense, cool air fed to the SRX's 3 liquid-heated flat-slide carbs through this intake. Effective aspiration contributes to monster power production at all RPMs in an amazingly compact engine package. Both the SRX 700 and SRX 600 power plants are cradled in Yamaha's exclusive Pro Action System chassis. The SRX models feature industry-leading Pro Action Plus SX long travel suspension with high-quality KYB aluminum body gas shocks. And in front, Yamaha's advanced independent trailing arm front suspension, also with KYB aluminum body gas shocks. The inherent strength and rigidity of the Pro Action system design results in substantial weight savings. Both the SRX 700 and SRX 600 are as much as 30 pounds lighter than competitive sleds. And that weight savings translates directly into superior handling. New lightweight plastic skis on the SRXs use a twin-tunnel deep V keel design to provide light, precise steering with exceptional tracking and carving. While the power and handling of these new SRX models will have you riding like never before, it only takes 1 or 2 fingers to slow you down, thanks to the featherlight pull on what Race and Rally magazine called a first-class brake system, second to none. And since adrenaline is easier to appreciate when you're comfortable, both the SRX 700 and SRX 600 come outfitted with hand and thumb warmers, large, easy-to-read gauges, excellent ergonomics, and a level of all-around craftsmanship and superior design that have become a Yamaha trademark. In fact, we're so sure of the quality of our 1998 machines, we're going to put your mind at ease with a 3-year extended warranty on all 1998 liquid-cooled Yamaha snowmobiles, including these ultimate high-performance rockets. That's a big Yamaha advantage, well worth considering before you lay your money down. The 1998 SRX 700 and SRX 600, triple triples with electronic power valves, Pro Action system chassis, superior braking, unparalleled performance and handling, and an unsurpassed quality guarantee. This is the Total Performance Package. Last year, Snowgoer magazine named the VMAX 700 SX Snowmobile of the Year, and American Snowmobiler said, the 1997 VMAX package is the most innovative and creative design we've seen in the past decade. The 97 VMAX SXs also made quite an impression on the racetrack in snowcross competition, surprising everyone with excellent results in only their first year out. And they'll give up nothing to the competition in 1998. The already legendary VMAX 700 SX leads the way again with its liquid-cooled 700cc three-cylinder engine, triple exhaust ports, a light-in-weight, high-flow 3-into-1 exhaust, and 3 TM33 flat-slide carbs for outstanding power and throttle response. The VMAX 600 SX comes with a high-output 600cc twin with triple exhaust ports and flat-slide carbs for maximum power and acceleration. Like the SRX models, both VMAX SXs are equipped with Yamaha's exclusive Pro Action System chassis, the same lightweight all-aluminum frame, the same Pro Action Plus SX long-travel rear suspension, and the same superb independent trailing arm front suspension, both with KYB premium quality shock absorbers. Both have Yamaha's exclusive 2-caliper brake system. The resulting super lightweight packages stop, go, and turn like demons. Snowgoer magazine said, never have we tested a machine that was so powerful yet so light. Add hand warmers, a wide 41-inch ski stance, plastic ski skins, and some of the most striking bodywork ever to grace the snow, and you've got the 1998 VMAX 700 and 600 SX. Two sets to fulfill one passion, a passion for top-notch performance and handling. Last year, Yamaha sleds established superiority over the performance trail category with all-new lightweight models, a broader selection of long-travel rear suspensions, and an all-new independent trailing arm front suspension. As if that wasn't enough, we're turning up the heat with the addition of the new VMAX 700 XTC. The VMAX 700 XTC is built around Yamaha's supremely powerful liquid-cooled 700cc triple with case reed induction, 3 TM33 flat-slide carbs, and triple exhaust ports to maximize power across the rev range. The new 700 XTC uses Yamaha's lightweight yet rigid Pro Action System chassis that helps make Yamaha trail sleds among the lightest in the industry, up to 40 pounds lighter than the competition. The VMAX 700 XTC features Yamaha's Pro Action Plus X long travel rear suspension with high-quality KYB aluminum body gas shocks and 11.5 inches of usable travel inside the tunnel for the plushest suspension in the industry. Up front, Yamaha's independent trailing arm suspension also uses top-notch KYB rebuildable gas shocks and provides 9 inches of travel for maximum performance on rough trails or smooth. Joining the new big guns in the VMAX lineup are last year's conquering heroes, the VMAX 600 and 500 XTC. Both return with the same powerful liquid-cooled compact twins and the same super light Pro Action System chassis that propelled them to class leadership a year ago. Like the big 700 XTC, the 1998 VMAX 600 and 500 XTCs come with Pro Action Plus X premium long travel rear suspension and advanced trailing arm front suspension, both with high-quality KYB gas shocks. The new value-priced VMAX 700 XT has the same powerful liquid-cooled 700cc triple. It also has the lightweight yet rigid Pro Action System chassis. The VMAX 700 XT uses Yamaha's Pro Action Plus long travel rear suspension with 11.5 inches of travel and independent trailing arm suspension with 9 inches of plush travel up front. The VMAX 600 and 500 XT offer a combination of performance and value with the same Pro Action Plus and advanced trailing arm suspension as the 700 XT. And all XT and XTC models come with Yamaha's industry-leading hydraulic brake, great ergonomics, and sensational styling. The 1998 VMAX XT and XTC, technology honed to a razor's edge and directed at outright mastery of the trail. For riders who want luxury features stirred in with their heart-pounding performance, Yamaha has cooked up a new class that contains 3 of the most refined new sleds you'll see this year. The VMAX 700, 600, and 500 XTC Deluxe. All 3 XTC Deluxe models have the same features found on the XTC models, but are enhanced with added comfort and convenience. They start effortlessly with convenient electric start. A handy reverse gear makes backing up a breeze. A tall windshield increases protection against the elements, while rear-view mirrors make it easy to keep track of who's behind you. Like all the other liquid-cooled models in the line, all XTC Deluxe models feature industry-leading adjustable hand and thumb warmers. The new 700 XTC Deluxe is powered by Yamaha's 700cc liquid-cooled triple, while the 500 and 600 use Yamaha's liquid-cooled high-output twins. All 3 produce the kind of throttle response and raw power you'd expect from snowmobiles dedicated to pure performance. But XTC Deluxe means extra comfort and convenience to go along with all that muscle. For riders who insist on high performance and luxury, Yamaha's 1998 VMAX 500, 600, and 700 XTC Deluxe snowmobiles sit at the very top of the list. In fact, they are the list. Winter is full of fantastic destinations, but snowmobile touring isn't just about where you go, it's about how you get there. And Yamaha has the sleds to make this year's travel the most enjoyable ever, starting with the brand new Venture 700. The new Venture 700 boasts a powerful 700cc liquid-cooled 3-cylinder engine. This powerhouse takes on distance travel with complete ease, so you and your passenger can just sit back and enjoy the view. The Venture 700 is loaded with comfort features, such as a 2-up seat with new adjustable backrest, convenient electric starting, easy shifting reverse gear, adjustable driver and passenger hand warmers, passenger grip wind deflectors, rear view mirrors, a high windshield for improved wind protection, a large 12-gallon fuel tank, and a rear storage rack. Naturally, the Venture 700 utilizes Yamaha's lightweight yet rigid Pro Action System frame. And if the trail gets bumpy, the Venture's Pro Action Plus long travel rear suspension and trailing arm independent front suspension soak it up with ease. A 136-inch track and wide 42-inch ski stands complement that smooth ride with excellent handling. When you do need to stop, you'll find Yamaha's industry-leading disc brake at your fingertips. The Venture 600 and 500 join the new 700 with many outstanding features of their own. Liquid-cooled high-output twins provide the power, and the Venture 600 comes with Yamaha's innovative Smart Carb system which electronically senses changes in air temperature and elevation and automatically adjusts fuel flow to compensate. Both sleds provide superior handling and comfort, thanks to Yamaha's Pro Action Plus long travel rear suspension and independent trailing arm suspension in front. And both come with a full complement of luxury features, including electric starting, reverse, full instrumentation, mirrors, and a high windshield. The Venture 600 and 500 offer an uncommon blend of high performance and touring luxury. And for uncommon value, you won't do better than the 1998 Venture TR. Dependable, affordable, and fun. The TR's 485cc fan-cooled twin gets you from here to there effortlessly, while a host of convenience features keep the ride comfortable and smooth along the way. Sure, there are a lot of great places to go this winter, but a new touring sled from Yamaha offers the comfort, the exhilaration, and the confidence to make your trip the pleasure it was meant to be from start to finish. Introducing the brand new Mountain SRX, a peak performance machine that'll get you to the summit like nothing else can. At the heart of the Mountain SRX is the same immensely powerful triple-triple with electronic power valves found in Yamaha's SRX 700. Using Yamaha's super lightweight Pro Action System chassis and long 136-inch track with 1.5-inch high profile lugs, the Mountain SRX climbs the mountain and floats deep powder with astonishing power. New wide, lightweight plastic skis provide exceptional carving ability in deep snow. The Mountain SRX has Pro Action Plus X premium long travel suspension and features KYB aluminum body gas shocks with 11.5 inches of rear travel and 7 inches in front. Two-position rear suspension mounts allow you to increase chassis clearance and weight transfer for deep snow riding. Yamaha's premium hydraulic braking system puts superior 1- or 2-finger stopping power at your disposal. The Mountain SRX comes with an extremely comfortable seat, easy-to-read large instruments, and Yamaha's exclusive adjustable hand and thumb warmers. And like all other 1998 liquid-cooled Yamaha snowmobiles, the new Mountain SRX comes with Yamaha's 3-year extended warranty. Leaving the high mark on the mountain with Yamaha's new Mountain SRX gives new meaning to the term power lines. This sled's untouchable. The Mountain Max 700 is a wizardly blend of power and lightweight, while others have been forced to drop to a 2-cylinder design to keep their mountain sleds from becoming ungainly. Yamaha has created a 3-cylinder power plant that is so lightweight and compact that the Mountain Max 700 is able to be light and agile on the snow without sacrificing the 3-cylinder power to achieve it. Similarly, the compact high-output 600cc twin in the Mountain Max 600, according to Race and Rally magazine, really demonstrates what Yamaha is capable of. It uses Yamaha's innovative Smart Carb to maximize performance as altitude and weather conditions vary. Race and Rally again. We again have to give Yamaha credit for what is perhaps the most underrated feature in snowmobiling, their Smart Carb system. Long tracks with 1.5-inch lugs and lightweight plastic skis provide excellent performance in deep snow. Both the Mountain Max 600 and 700 are fitted with Pro Action Plus long travel rear suspension and Yamaha's advanced trailing arm front suspension for a comfortable, predictable ride in some of the most challenging conditions. Adjustable hand and thumb warmers, rear suspension mounts with 2-position adjustment, and a narrow 38.5-inch ski stance round out the list of standard features on these two extraordinarily agile kings of the mountain. Last but not least, the lightest mountain sled made, the Phaser Mountain Light. With features like a fan-cooled 485cc engine, long 136-inch track, modified Pro-Action Link rear suspension with 2-position mounts for additional clearance, and plastic ski skins, the Phaser Mountain Light is a top mountain and deep snow performer that just happens to be a remarkable value.
Now is the best time to order a new Yamaha snowmobile. If you place a $300 deposit on a select sled before March 31st, 1997, you can have it custom built at the factory and save hundreds of dollars. Add high-performance Oline shocks to an SRX 700, 600, or SX 700 or 600 model for only $300, a savings of over $400. Order a 600 or 500 XT and add electric start and reverse for only $600. You save $500. Order a custom-built 700 XTC with a 1.5-inch high-profile track and our new plastic skis for an additional $200, a savings of $600. The next best thing to the big dollar savings is the fact that all the custom installation is done right at the Yamaha factory. In addition, get $300 of clothing and accessories when you buy any new liquid-cooled model, or $200 of clothing and accessories when you buy any fan-cooled model. Also, buy any 98 sled of your choice and make no payments until January 1st of 98. You get all three of these offers: custom-built models, free accessories, and financing if you buy before March 31st. So don't wait. See your participating dealer for details today. And while you're there, check out the complete line of Yamaha parts and accessories. There are performance-enhancing products, a wide range of durable, custom-designed soft luggage, snug-fitting, long-lasting protective covers, and specially formulated Yamaha fluids and lubricants, to name just a few. And every genuine Yamaha part and accessory is specifically built for optimum performance and to Yamaha's exacting standards of quality. Yamaha also has a complete line of custom apparel designed to perfectly complement the graphics of the 98 model sleds. All genuine Yamaha apparel uses the latest materials to keep you toasty warm and dry all winter. To see the new Yamaha snowmobiles live and in person, stay tuned for a schedule of dates for the Yamaha Spring Power Tour location nearest you.
Power, handling, comfort, luxury, and style. The 1998 Yamaha snowmobiles have it all. Yamaha for 98, the hottest new line of snowmobiles ever to set skis to winter snow.